How to transfer data from your old phone to Samsung M32. First of all, you need to download the Smart Switch app on both your old phone and the Samsung M32 if it's not already installed. This app is essential for transferring data smoothly. Next, open the Smart Switch app on both devices. On the Samsung M32, select Receive on this phone. After that, select the source device type, Galaxy Android or iPhone iPad. Here I am choosing Galaxy Android. Then choose wireless as the transfer method instead of cable. Now the scan QR code screen will appear. Scan the QR code shown on your Samsung M32 with your old phone. Once the QR code is scanned by your old phone, the two phones will connect automatically. After the connection is established, you will see a list of data types you can transfer, such as contacts, messages, photos, videos, apps, and more. Select all the data you want to move to your new Samsung M32, then tap Transfer on your old phone. The transfer will begin, and the time it takes depends on how much data you have. Keep both phones close and the Smart Switch app open during the transfer. When the transfer finishes, you will get a confirmation message. Check your Samsung M32 to ensure everything has moved over correctly. If you run into any issues, restarting the app or the device usually helps. Also, make sure both phones have enough battery throughout the process. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer data from old phone on Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.